Hi, I'm going to use the word and gematria tanakh search tool at thetrugmans.com to show some interesting statistical coincidences having to do with Moshe and the giving of the Torah. So here I'm just going to give you an idea of how these types of things work, the concept. So here we have Mount Sinai in Hebrew, Har Sinai, and we see that it has the value, so the value of the words together is 335. The total number of times that 335 shows up in the entire tanakh is 612. So the computer program finds every time that 335 shows up as a sequence and tells you how many times in the entire tanakh. So 612 times. So again, it has the value 335, and that value shows up 612 times in the entire tanakh. 612 is the value of the word brit, or covenant. So there's a link here. Mount Sinai is where the covenant of the Ten Commandments was established. And the word covenant has the value 612. 612 matches, and the value matches up. Or you can do it like this. Take this verse, and he set it up for Jacob as a statute, to Israel as an everlasting covenant. So again, we're talking about a covenant, an everlasting covenant. Now if you take that verse and punch it in, it shows you that it has the value 1824, and the value 1824 shows up 613 times in the entire tanakh. So again, a verse about the covenant shows up 613 times, and many of you will know that the Ten Commandments breaks down into 613 mitzvot, or 613 laws. So again, the statistics seem to describe the subject, or be related to. Here we're only going to use the 5 books of Moses, so we're only searching the 5 books, the Torah. None of these other books are clicked off or checked off. So let's type in the name Moshe, and we're going to find how many times the actual name Moshe shows up in the 5 books. So the name of Moshe, not the value, the name itself shows up 616 times. 616 is interesting to me because it is the value of ha-torah. So the Torah, the Hebrew word for the Torah, has the value 616, which again is the number of times Moses' name shows up in the 5 books of Moses. That's kind of interesting, but you might also notice that ha-torah shows up 26 times in the 5 books. And what is 26? Is the name of Hashem, the name of God, the tetragrammaton, which has the value 26. Now there's only one more thing. The Torah was given, and we know that the Torah has the value 616, and that's the number of times Moses' name shows up. The Torah was given in Parashat Yitro, so the portion of the Torah that is named after Jethro, his father-in-law, and Jethro's name has the value 616. So I thought it was interesting that Jethro and Moses are linked by this event at Mount Sinai, the giving of the Torah through Moses, and the statistics happen to match up with this. What are the odds of that? Thank you.